Welcome back. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about the file system module within Node.js. It's a core module. You can check out the whole docs for different functions. I'm going to be covering the basic functions. So first, let's import file system. Next, let's create a file. I'm going to be using the synchronous functions instead of the asynchronous functions. We'll talk about it in later videos. Let's create a text file and add hello to it. You can see that it created a txt file and added a hello character. Let's print it. Let's read the file. As you can see, it displays no data because, let me just comment this section out. As you can see, it shows no data in the console since we have not console logged it. Let us print this data variable since it contains the read data by file system. It shows buffer 4865, which is basically binary data. Buffer is a data type in Node.js which shows as binary data. Let's convert this data into string. Let's just do it here. It shows the string data of that binary data. You can either also use the encoding type. For example, let me just add the encoding type to UTF-8, and you will get the string directly since we have encoded in UTF-8. Let's append more data to it. Append file sync. As you can see, it added world to it. Let's rename the file. You can see that it shows us the parameters that we require in that function. Our file old path is file.txt and new path is myfile.txt. As you can see, it actually renames the file to myfile.txt. What if we have to delete this file? We will use this unlink function. Okay, it's called myfile.txt. My bad. And it deletes it. To create a folder, we can use mkdir, which we did in the previous video, if I'm not wrong. Oh wait, we did the rmdir, which is basically deleting the folder. Let's delete this folder. These are the major functions that we have in file system. Let me know if you have any doubts. We'll continue in the next video. Make sure to check out the playlist. Thank you for watching. See ya. Peace out.